In this video, I am going to show you how to boot multiple OS using single USB drive for the installation. For this purpose, we need to use Ventoy. Ventoy is an open source application. We can use this for making USB drive as a multiple boot OS. First, we need to download the Ventoy application. We can open the browser, type in Google Ventoy, select the download under the ventoy.net. It will redirect to the download location of Ventoy. If you are using the Windows operating system, we need to select the Windows-based Ventoy application for making us a USB bootable. Once after downloading, we need to extract the Ventoy files, then open the Ventoy. Here we can see the Ventoy to disk. That is a exe file we need to run for making us a USB as multi-bootable option. I'm just running with the Ventoy to disk. This software will support all the operating system, including the all edition of Windows, Linux, Red Hat, Ubuntu. The major feature of this application is we can simply copy paste the ISO file. No need to extract any ISO file for making bootable. I'm opening Ventoy to disk. Now we can see I have already connected a USB flash drive. I'm selecting that one and I'm pressing install. Confirm the data loss. After pressing yes, it will start to install. We have completed the installation. Now we need to press OK button. Then close the Ventoy application. Here we are already installed Ventoy on USB. Now we need to copy paste the ISO file to USB flash drive. And copy pasting ISO file to Ventoy USB flash drive. Now we have finished the copy pasting of ISO file. Here we can see Windows 7, Windows 11, Windows Server 2016, Debian. Also you can see the Red Hat. Now this USB flash drive is bootable. These all the operating system we can boot from the single flash drive. Ventoy will support for booting most of the operating system. Here I have already copied a few of the operating system ISO files. Now we can check how to boot this Ventoy application. The Ventoy also supports server, normal PC and laptop. If you are trying to boot from the USB, if you are booting from Ventoy USB flash drive, you will get option for selecting the operating system using ISO file. If I am selecting any of the ISO file, I can get another option, boot in normal mode. If I am selecting that one, I can boot from that particular ISO file. Now we can select, if you want to install Windows Server, we can select the Windows Server operating system. It will start the installation of Windows Server. If you want to install Windows 11 operating system, you can select the ISO file from Ventoy, then select the normal boot. It will start the Windows 11 installation. For booting the particular ISO file, we can select the ISO file, then press the enter button, then choose the normal boot option. It will start to boot the operating system from ISO file. Here you are having so many other features, including the language changes. If you want to change the language on booting option, we can change the language from the bottom option using the L button of keyboard. Ventoy will provide a booting platform for booting the ISO file. Using this one, we can boot any of the operating system. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe.